channel. Oh yeah, you mean new channel. New channel. Yeah, new channel. Oh, cook. Oh, cook. Time to go on this one. Welcome, Spear. Goodbye, bro. Ow! So basically, I know something new. Regrowth. Give me this. This and the flask. We barely grow at the same time. See? They grow. Magic. But something they do is not expecting. This is what I know about Joint Diluent. They basically break some joints.
Pero mo headbutt. Pero mo
I'm playing! Stop! Ow! They barely say ow. Goodbye! And the other one lived. Regrowth, Joint Diluent, Embalming, Virus, Electricity Protection, Hard Skin, Fireproof, Underwater Breathing, Immortality, Acid, Healing, Regen, Melon. This is what the new character looks like. Oh, Immortality, I forgot. Regen, Pink, Blue, Violet, Joint Diluent, Hey, Regrowth, Healing. Goodbye, bro. I'm a ghost now. Hi, my name is Cactus. I'm not Melon. Oh, Cactus, Apple. Okay, guys, it's done, bruh.